What's up guys, how's everybody doing? My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and today we're working on the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ that was officially announced yesterday at Car Week in Monterey. And geez, this car is just insane. I mean, just look at this. Okay, sorry, back to the video. We can only assume that there will be a Roadster version of the SVJ, so I wanted to give you guys a first look at what that could look like, while also adding some custom tweaks to the spec. I utilized a cockpit from an SV Roadster that was at a similar angle, but you'll see it took some work to make it look right, even though it still isn't perfect. But are you guys excited for this car? What do you think of this design? Comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And also visit my website at monacautodesign.com, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a couple minutes. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at monacautodesign@gmail.com. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time.